Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix security update not installing on your Windows 11, and the error code you will see is KB5077181. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Windows 11 security update error KB5077181, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just open your file explorer, go to this PC, right click on your C drive, then click on property, click on tools, then click on check. After clicking check, it will take some time and it will fix if there is any error with your hard drive. After completion of this, just close this window, open the C drive, open the Windows folder, open the software distribution. You have to not open software distribution, you have to just open the services, click on the services. In this you need to find background intelligent transfer service. You can see, double click on that, startup type disable, then click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After that you need to find app readiness. You can see here app readiness, double click on that, disable, start, apply, OK. After that you need to find Windows update. Just press W, scroll down, double click on Windows update, disable, start, then stop, OK. After that just close this window. Now come to your software distribution folder, right click on that, then click on delete. After that close this window, again open the services, again you have to click on properties of your Windows update, then select as automatic, click on apply, click on start, click OK. Then go to the app readiness, properties, automatic, click on start, OK. Another was background intelligent transfer, right click on that, click on property, automatic, click on start, click OK. Then close this window. Now open the control panel. In this you need to select view by as large icon. After that you need to find power option, then click on change plan setting, then click on change advanced power setting. In this you can see turn off hard disk, just select as never. After that scroll down, here you can see sleep, double click on that, sleep. After you have to select never. Plugged in, never. Hibernate after, select as never, and plugged in you have to select as never. Then click on apply, click OK, then close this window, then open the control panel again, select as category and click on uninstall a program, then click on turn Windows feature on or off, click on that. Scroll down. You can see here Windows Sandbox, disable it. After that again you have to uncheck, then click OK. And there is another setting, you have to just check and click OK. After that just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Security Update error KB5077181 not installing Windows 11 error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.